In this video, how to add tables. In the sidebar, click the table option. If there is a second table submenu, click to that. The table list screen will be open. In the top right corner, click the add table button. The table details form will be appear on the screen. Fill the details. For example, first one is choose area. For example, I select first floor. Next one is table code. Enter how many tables are on that floor. Next one is seating capacity. Enter seat per table. For example, I give 5. Select whether the tables are active or not. Click save button. The new tables will be added and you should see a confirmation message. If you want to update the table, click the edit icon. Update the table details and click save button. If you want to delete the table, click delete button. Thank you.